Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get TradingView ID. Open TradingView, sign in, and go directly to your profile page. The ID often appears in the URL after your username or within account settings. If you use a public profile, copy the numeric or alphanumeric ID shown in the address bar. Keep this ID handy for sharing charts, connecting widgets, or linking accounts across services for faster setup and collaboration. Open your browser and navigate to your TradingView profile while signed in. The address bar usually contains your profile identifier after the username. If the ID is not obvious, open Account Settings and look for profile or account identifiers listed there. Be sure to copy the ID exactly, including any dashes or letters, to prevent broken links when embedding charts or sharing profiles across platforms and tools you use regularly. Use the TradingView ID to build direct links to your profile or specific charts and paste it into sharing fields or embed code. When integrating third-party widgets or collaboration tools, the ID ensures the correct account is referenced. Always test the link in an incognito or secondary browser to confirm visibility and permissions. If the profile is private, adjust sharing settings or switch to a public view before distributing the link to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.